Morning guys, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning on day 2 and I'm feeling great this morning, high energy, woke up early and I'm about to do my little morning routine. Daily vitamin. I just made a mess. I take my half shot glass, so half an ounce of apple cider vinegar with half an ounce of water, and I chug it first thing in the morning. Cheers. I take Himalayan salt and I put it in a little Tupperware so I can bring it to work and just sprinkle in my water throughout the day. When I say sprinkle, I really just mean like sprinkle. Just put a little bit, mix it in, and then drink it. I'm currently on my lunch break, just soaking up the sun outside, and I'm feeling pretty good, pretty high energy. Typically I get pretty grumpy on day 2, but I'm feeling good and I'm feeling really happy. And my mood's really good, so that's some good news, and I'll keep you guys posted and touch base tonight. Okay, so my day is finished, but it's not really finished because I'm heading to get some groceries because I have to cook dinner for the family. Well, I'm gonna get hit by a car in the parking lot. Just went to the grocery store, got some steak and some peppers so I can cook the meal for everyone who's eating and I can continue fasting. Super easy meal to cook for the family while fasting. So this is becoming one of those a day in the life videos because I came home, I have to water the plants, then I'm gonna cook dinner, take my magnesium, take my potassium, hem the curtains with this curtain hemming sticky thing that I bought. I'll show you guys after. Then I have to edit my video, make the thumbnail on Photoshop, post it onto YouTube for you guys to see. What a day. Day 2, we got this, we're steaming through it, and at least I'm staying busy, so the more you stay busy, the easier this is. I keep killing my plants, so I have to water them now. Everyone in the videos keep asking me how much water I drink every day. There's no set amount that you need to drink. You don't need to drink like 5 million gallons of water a day. Just drink when you're thirsty. If you're not thirsty, don't force it. But if you're hungry, drink. If you're craving something, drink. If you're bored, drink. And water with Himalayan salt. So you can see I still have some at the bottom there. I didn't mix it in properly. I'm done cooking dinner. Cleanup is done. Dinner's on the table. And now it's time to hem the curtains. I've been meaning to do these curtains and hem them for I don't even know how long. Make sure that you keep yourself distracted while fasting because you're going to have a lot of projects around the house that you've needed to do for years. And now's the perfect time to do them. If I had to pick one piece of advice to give you guys while fasting, actually 2 pieces of advice. Drink water and stay busy. Those are my 2 things that I could suggest. So go do the projects that you have around the house. It's the perfect time to do them. This is a project I've been meaning to do for a year, so I'm gonna use this Heat Bond Ultra Hold Iron Adhesive. Basically, you just use it, and instead of actually like sewing it or hemming it together, you just kind of glue it on and you could put it in the machine wash off. If you guys are curious and you have anything to hem, I'll put it in the link down below. You just measure it out, and then I split the piece of tape into little pieces so I can section it off and iron it bit by bit since it was too long to reach. Then you peel the little tape off and you iron it back on for another 8 seconds. So that's what I did here. I can't believe you're still watching this video. I'd like to dedicate this video to fasting. I just hemmed the bottom of the curtain. This has been a project on my to-do list for almost a year and a half. I just wasn't hemming the curtains and I was too lazy to do it. I'm done hemming my curtains, dinner is done, cleanup is done, watering the plants is done. So I'm about to take my magnesium supplement now and my potassium. So that one's my magnesium. So like I said, take it before bedtime because it makes you sleepy. Same thing with the potassium. I just take 100 milligram tablet. I'll put the link down below. And there you have it. That's my daily routine. Next up, I have to edit my YouTube video, make my thumbnail, and post it for you guys without further ado because I know you're waiting. I just edited the thumbnail and day 2 is ready to go, so I'm about to post this YouTube video live. I hope you guys enjoyed my day 2 vlog. This was more of a day in the life while you're water fasting. So again, stay busy. My biggest tip here for the first couple days is stay busy, stay active, distract yourself, watch water fasting videos. Do anything you can that doesn't revolve around food so you get your mind off it. So I'm sorry that you had to watch my boring curtain hemming, but that's how I personally got my mind off food for the day. So far, so good. I'm feeling happy. I'm still feeling energetic. I'm not feeling grumpy. I don't have any side effects yet. I'm not dizzy. I'm not tired. I just feel really good today. So let me know in the comments down below. Maybe you're not experiencing the same type of things. So let me know below if you're feeling dizzy, if you're feeling weak, if you're feeling miserable, hungry, irritable. Let me know. Do your daily check-in. Whoever's doing the challenge with us right now, put your daily check-in every day in the comments to say, hey, this is my day. This is how I feel. No, we're all going through this together. You might not be having the same day too that I am. Tomorrow I might be irritable and tomorrow you might be feeling really happy. So put your comments down below, check in with me today, and let's keep holding you guys accountable. Tomorrow's day 3, so we're almost over the hump, because you know after day 3 or 4 it starts to get a lot easier and you start to get less hungry. So post it down below. I want you guys to check in every single day for the duration of this fast, so we make sure that we're holding you guys accountable. If you haven't joined yet, join the Fast Forward to Health accountability group, and the Facebook link, I'll put it down below. It's Fast Forward to Health. No, it's not. Facebook.com/groups/Fast Forward to Health. So click down below, join the group, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you guys make sure that you're getting my videos every single day if you're on this accountability journey and you're doing the water fasting challenge with us. So hit that little notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah! Post down below. Happy fasting. Bye.